Only talk I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, you find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you know, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, buzz a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is nothing new to music. Aspiring artists or artists who are not current hit makers have normally aligned themselves to the biggest music group. Just forget that exposure. So when we say Savage, I say, yo, guys, I'm a thing there. You know what I mean? And I know nothing new. From we see him forward out with his style, and I say, yo, wine pan the kulu kulu. We see the image. You know what I mean? We see the tattoo, we see the ray, we see the, you know what I mean? The skin ray. So we know say yes. Or the teacher image I try to use, we know say, alright, get back some relevance. Nothing is new with that. Nothing is wrong with that either. Viewers and subscribers, the word on the streets is Aidonia. Like him career go sideways. Them say first and foremost, them did see him align himself with the unruly camp. And they will see that fizzle out. Now, viewers and subscribers, will say the new rules line up. And Aidonia is one of the artists booked for the show. Now, viewers and subscribers, there has never been a track in which I personally hear Aidonia this alkaline. No, I think with him even big him up on Sunfest. I'm not sure. But for say that movie now, viewers and subscribers, it is clear. Aidonia is aligning himself with the Vendetta camp. Every day I touch the streets with 100 grand. Aidonia cannot be pressed for cash. To say, yo, him go take that book in there, even if it was offered. He must do it because he must say, alright, this is the move where I make musically. Because we know the dancehall industry straight. But you make certain move, the talk go make. And gone are the days when him could have go up on the stage and bring up Governor. Governor is now an artist within his own right. And it look like Governor has chosen to not be a part of the showcase. We hear Governor recent statement saying Vybz Kartel music is definitely not only an inspiration to him, but when him look upon dominant or dominance in a dancehall music, the dominant artist is of course Vybz Kartel, and the dominance of the Gaza Nation is definitely something that will be an urban legend. People are gonna definitely add whole heap to it in the years to come, because this music group, you know what I mean, this movement in a dancehall history is the biggest that dancehall has ever seen. Now, viewers and subscribers, some people would say this is unity at its finest. They say, you know what I mean? Donia, alkaline them link up a showcase. I would have more say this look like forces that try together against the teacher. But the teacher not see them. The teacher not see them. And what I will also point out to viewers and subscribers, Movado and Jamil are not on the lineup. I will notice Movado, Jamil and Frost still a link strong. Alkaline and Frost nah link. So realize it look like the MVP is no more. Look like a just M and J and the V over there, so are the P, are the Patriots, same thing they don't, they don't follow them up. And just the M and the P over there, so and the V over one side. And they say, look, viewers and subscribers, talk to me in the comment section. One thing for sure though, even with the lineup of artists so we see, maybe only Cranium, Intense, and probably Ellie can bring the vibe there. You know what I mean? Don't have some good songs, the artists, some little stuff from your youth, but currently, no current hits. Bad drop recently, but I doubt that the hit where I look for in a dancehall music right now. The headline, him not have no current hits for 2020 either. If I was an investor, this would not be something me that invest in. You know what I mean? No doubt the small fan base will show up. You know what I mean? There will be patrons in attendance. They make sure them put out the show from early. But it's clear, I don't have viewers and subscribers. I look another musical camp to move to. You know, I'm going with the fourth general camp at this point in time, because Governor do his own thing. One thing with Governor is a loyal artist. You will never hear Governor say nothing bad about Diddy. And I like how here we see Diddy, we say, yo, alright, And the artist there, we are linked with him rate and they see him change tune and I say no different thing, Ray, him not deal with the artist there. You will never hear Governor say nothing like that. Even when the whole linkage that going unruly and them stop link, Governor was never an artist who has nothing bad about Popcorn and the unruly. You know what I mean? And recent statements when him drop him album, must say yo, Vybz Kartel the biggest artist in the dancehall music and him, you know what I mean? That's what him have to say. So in my opinion, it is clear. Governor got the day. Aidonia alone. And for your artist, where they say yo, him are the best artist in a dancehall music currently. But don't see why him always a look at other camp align himself with. We that say work ethic definitely are the key. Put out hit songs. Some people even after the latest song where him drop sound like it was a song that was scrapped from the That's a Trap mixtape. And him just had released a track here right now. It definitely have the same flow like Finesse and all the other songs that were on that project. They have the same sound, same kind of cadency, same kind of tempo. And basically the same set of songs. Just because him choose not to put that on the album. So some people say yo, did the flow sound stagnant? There's no evolution to the Aidonia sound. Some people that say yo, if it isn't broken, don't fix it. In reality. But in this day and age with music, you have to keep fresh. You have to keep current in a music. You have to change the style every now and then. So you can't afford to keep the thing stagnant. Not moving. Not circulate. Not progress. Not evolve. Some people that say the artist's career definitely go sideways. And then we'll see him align himself with the vendetta camp. Strange. I remember recently my link with the unruly camp. Years before that, at the Gaza, even that said the same way. Vybz Kartel in the link with. So people are say, Aidonia is like a rolling stone in the dancehall music. You know what I mean? And instead of putting out hits, him choose to align himself with certain key figures, and that is how I'm going to use it to move forward. Definitely interesting vibe. You know what I mean? Definitely. Something I'm going to see it unfold, me I say, wait. Aidonia that, booked for new rules. Picture up on the poster and everything. Means a contract signed and him say agree, say yes, I'm going to be a part of the showcase. Eh? It was a shock to me. Let me know what you feel about that, viewers and subscribers. As I said, some people are saying this is unity at its finest. And this is something good for dancehall music. It's a good look for see. You know what I mean? They didn't really pre nothing and, you know, willing to go up on a showcase where essentially have alkaline thing. So people that say savage. You know what I mean? I say, yo, Gaza, I'm thinking there. But people that say a good look a while now, Savage I make that clear, say yo, a teacher, I'm thinking. You know what I mean? Vybz Kartel inspiration. And in reality, what is known is that in a music, because you're inspired by an artist, but another artist again that push, people decide say whatever they might deal with that too as well. So the fact say yo, the side of the world I'm forward from, it did more aligned to flex and bother them. But we know there was a falling out there, so he decided to do his own thing. You know what I mean? And him drop a couple tracks and people never really hear much from him. Then him followed out back on the T100, the turbo rhythm. And you know what I mean? The song have a vibe. People love the energy. The video look like it go up. So the people must say, yo, you know what I mean? And they might point it out, say, yo, Gaza, my thing there. That's so it there. Definitely a good look. And as I said, this is nothing new in music. You know what I mean? From time and time again, artists, whether aspiring artists who seek to stay current or get or return to being a current hit maker, have normally aligned themselves to the dominant music group. Savage make the right move. Savage just say Gaza. Aidonia, however, I say vendetta. At a moment where vendetta happened to be a part of another music group, but has no split. So look, talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts on the whole happenings in the dancehall music right now, viewers and subscribers. But it's the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding those who are new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But when you like the reason, of course, when you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform, viewers and subscribers. The like icon there too. So if you like the reason you like what you hear, drop a like on the blogging truth. The share icon there too, so you can tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason and join the discussion from right here on the platform with the share icon. You can do all of that. The comment section, as I mentioned, join the discussion. Be respectful and mindful of the guidelines, however. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. We can continue reasoning from the comment section. You know the something go. Up move settings, fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiment for you and yours, I wanna live, love, and prosper until the reason again, fam.